Hey guys, we just got hit with a laser, 3500 Nolensville. Looking for him now.
Fair one, you said you guys got hit with a laser?
Yep, 3500 Nolensville, black shorts, black shirt, sitting on a picnic table out next to the ice machines.
5120, is anybody close to him? We need to take that guy in custody.
Yeah, sitting next to the guy in the blue jeans and the red shirt. He's the black shorts, black shirt. He should still be holding it in his hands. Guy on the far right, sitting on top of the picnic table. And that'll be a felony assault on officer ×2.
Excellent. 550 more there, one. Still be him?
Yep, that's him. Did you recover the laser?
10-4.